welcome Primary 5. Miss Eva Ahmed is with you. Today we will complete Lesson 1 from Unit 2, the circulatory system, and we will take Part 3 from this lesson. We take the heart and the blood vessels in the last two sessions, and today we will take the blood. What is the blood? It's the red liquid. Its red color is due to the presence of the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Okay, we all know what is the blood and why it had its red color, because there is a substance which is called hemoglobin inside it that gives the blood its red color, hemoglobin. And this substance hemoglobin exists in one component inside the blood, which is the red blood cells. So we called it red blood cells because it has a red color due to the existence of hemoglobin inside it, and this substance gives the red color to the blood. The blood is consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and this liquid is plasma. And as you can see, that red blood cells, they are solid materials, platelets, they are solid materials, white blood cells, they are solid materials. So the blood is fluid due to the plasma. So one more time, the blood is consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. Red blood cells, we can write it as RBC, R for red, B for blood, C for cells, and also white blood cells, we can write it WBC. So the blood is consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. Let's start with the red blood cells. Red blood cells has no nuclei, carries no nuclei inside it. It has no nucleus. A group of nucleus, we call it nuclei. So it has no nuclei inside it. Okay, and it carries the oxygen from the two lungs to the cells, and it also carries carbon dioxide from the cells to the two lungs. So the red blood cells carries the gases. It carries the oxygen and the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, white blood cells, they have nuclei inside it. Okay, and they are the army of the body. They defend the body against microbes. They attack any microbes that attack the body, and that's the shape of the white blood cells. And also that's the white blood cell, and that's a white blood cell. Okay, let's take the platelets. They are very small cellular parts or cell fragments. What is the meaning of very small cellular parts? They are smaller than the cells. Okay, what is the function of the platelets? They are forming the blood clot to help in healing wounds. What is the meaning of that? If you wound yourself, you will start to bleeding. What makes you stop bleeding? It's the crust on the wound that the platelets form. So the platelets help in healing wound by closing the wounds and stop bleeding. Okay, that's the purple ones. They are the platelets, and that's the blood clot. That's the platelets when they are forming the blood clot to clot the wound and help to heal the wound. Okay, then we take the plasma. The plasma, it's a yellow fluid. That's the plasma. Okay, in which the blood components are suspended. The plasma is a liquid that inside it the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets are swimming inside it, and the plasma, it gives the blood its fluid. It's fluid, make the blood fluid material. It's the plasma, because the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets, they are solid materials. Okay, what is the function of the plasma? It carries the digested food from the digestive system to all the body cells, and it also carries the wastes from the body cells to the excretory system. So the plasma carries the digested food and the wastes, but the Red blood cells carry the carbon dioxide and oxygen. So red blood cells attack the microbes. The platelets help to healing wounds by forming blood clots. Okay, and the plasma, they are carries the digested food and the wastes. So what is the importance of the blood? Number one, exchange carbon dioxide gas and oxygen between the blood and the body cells, and it's the function of the red blood cells. Number two, transports the digested food, vitamins, salts to the body cells and carries harmful wastes from it, and that's the function of the plasma. And number three, it attacks microbes that causes disease to the man, and the function of the white blood cells and healing the ones by the platelets. And don't forget, it keep your body temperature constant. Okay, and it's a very important question, and we can find it a lot in the exams by, for the scientific term, a component in the circulatory system that keeps the body temperature constant. So it's the blood. So we finished the heart, the blood vessels, the blood. We finished all the components of the circulatory system. Thank you for listening. Miss Ahmed was with you.